guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm first in Itotora. Yes, so it's been announced that Mambaulele Umesa album Easter. It's been announced by Dr. Josh Shirimani. Pijabone announcing Lavaku Mambaulele Easter. Alustiko Mambaulele Easter Shumanai. Mambaulele Easter. Does it mean he's going to release an album in Easter? I think so. So Mambaulele album ita tour in Ngongolo. In Ngongolo. Loko nongtere tuti Ngongolo rinjela ku. Ngongolo ka mesulain. Eva isala bo tshama lenda akule atlasini. Loko mi lava nga nghena xikolo. Mukuma ku vona lava kulu la atlasini age even na height sometimes. Mara kuma ku bangena na swihlangi kuma ku munhu ile ka standard 6 kumbe ka grade 8 mara age yena ile henhla ngopfu and va tala ku tshama le backseat va tala ku rhasa ngopfu they always going out there va huma va nyenga kumbexana ku va ri toilet kha ku dzawa timbangi those kind of people if va vitana tinghongolo ku ya mina leswi tilera no twisisa swona tinghongolo la mara loko ni ri yisa ka xi music right now ni nga ri Mambaulele la iblawula hiku he's been in the game for so many years. Yes, undisputed of course. I mean loko wena nguta the album leti nga ndwa hi Matswebe Muda, I believe he was there. Khale ma navo Mansandle na va kona lani. Yeah, ka album ta Matswebe Muda khale. He was there. And then look on the artists leti tinga swishwata va Mr. Post va Dlanyoka vanhu vo tala va huma lava DJ Figo va Joseph Nwamiloro va Khavisa. He produced a lot of people, so I munhu loyi loko ni languta ka vunanga bya Xitsonga I munhu loyi a nga nghongolo I nghongolo yena hi yexe. So it's unexpected ku va hi vona Mambaulele a humesa album. A swi tolovelekangi ka music wa Xitsonga ku munhu wo fana Mambaulele as a producer a humesa album, even though ka music yin'wani ka ti-genre letin'wani a swi tiva ku swi toloveleke nyana ku ti-producer to humesa ti-album. Loko ni languta ka mapiano of course DJ Maphorisa na u endla swa yena as well mara khale a ri gaming and a ri just a producer. I think loko ni twa sungulo ra DJ Maphorisa ku ri Xikoma Milenge ka fambisana DJ Brian khale ngopfu DJ Maphorisa ri kona la yeta nga ri producer simera ra DJ Brian Xikoma Milenge. It was a nice house song khale. Then loko ni languta ka music wa R&B loko ni languta music wa le handle ku ve ntsukeni munhu wo fana na is it Kevin Timberlake, Justin Timberlake man, what did I say Kevin? Yes, Justin Timberlake been producing a lot. He's regarded as one of the best producers music wa pop R&B. And then naina indlini a humesa album ta yena, you know. Loko ni languta munhu wo fana John Legend, you know, before a humesa album ta yena he was a producer. He's been producing for people like that. Loko ni languta simera ra New York ra Alicia Keys ri producer John Legend, so anga tsala kahle. So ka vunanga bya Xitsonga I know it's a big shock right now ku va Mambaulele ava akha a humesa album, and it's quite interesting hiku loko hi languta ka vunanga lebyiwani right now ku na mhaka leyi nga kona ya Mr. Post u suke ka Team Shirimani. And then na yena se I humesa album ya yena. I think ya yena album yi ta thyiwa yini kambe album ya Mr. Post Madlokonya. I think album Mr. Post yi ta thyiwa Madlokonya. So it's quite interesting to have Mr. Post and Mambaulele va humesa album hi Easter hinkwayo and nga ri hiku a va veki date vanhu lava vo vula ku Easter, so nga ri totala jumana ku a swi tiva ku Mr. Post I tirhe ngopfu na Mambaulele, which I find it very surprising ku va Mr. Post a nga tirhi na Mambaulele right now. I don't understand that part. Maybe mhaka leya ya Yamalete award njani and Steve Mara. It's quite surprising because Mambaulele and Mr. Post, you know, it's quite surprising to Mr. Post and the Mambaulele album lewa. I think it the producer to one it understood good. Can I say them? Mita boy maluk nungula. Yeah, but the Mr. Post, yeah, oh my Eastern Iona. So titati pananini Mambaulele versus Mr. Post. It's interesting because it shy tsanda ku loko kha vulavula hi Mambaulele album hi nga vulavula hi album Mr. Post ku te huma xikan'we loko ku ve na ku kwetlembetana loko ku nga va kona mhaka ya ti awards ta le ka Munghana Lonene ta ka radio. Yeah, then ku va na ku nga la nga huma na Gimbeta le ka Thomo, all these things. So it's quite interesting. Mara story xa Mambaulele ntsakela mhaka ku Dr. Joe Shirimani kumbexani Team Shirimani yi humese a statement lava nga vula ku good morning family, this week hi ta sungula ku tivisa hi ti project ta Easter. As you know, COVID-19 has had a big impact in our lives, especially music industry. A swi nga hi oloveli ku kumeka hi endla ntirho wa hina ku fana na malembe ndzhaku hikwalaho ka ti-limited budgets, and as a result hi boheke ku va hi tirhisa maendlelo yo fambisana na laha hi kotaka ku fikelela kona. So a studio, CD production and marketing cost swi high, and swi lava ku ri na financial muscle which we didn't have as a result of COVID impact. But we tried our best to lobby for sponsorship here and there. 2 albums and 1 single are expected to be released for this Easter, which is not our normal practice. I wonder if the album which other album is coming out. KK Brace, I don't know. And then very okay, I push it further up too much. How can I take it down nicely without? Yes. So but we tried our best. Look, okay, right? I read that 2 albums are coming out this Easter. Yes, not normal practice in so, but he's the gap letting up for the past year, which is not enough to cover the entire team. Well, I wonder all our artists are agreed to this move. So KK Shirimani, Danyoka, Brace Shirimani, Nsako Shirimani. Wow, interesting. Nsako Shirimani is going to release an album. Interesting. And now leka line up for this year. Loko Shimosho Melena. Oh, for your information, Team Shirimani. Psychology ta humesa Xitsonga album under Team Shirimani. So Psychology anga be mapiano se ibu yini ka Xitsonga full time. Interesting. Well, uta humesa Xitsonga album under Team Shirimani and our partners. Full information about others will be communicated this coming week by management. So kutivisa management ya Team Shirimani lawa swilo leswiwani. Then kuva ku na swivutiso swo tala ku ri so kutivisa swilo leswiwani mara nga ri ku na munhu un'wana a nga kona laha nga hlayiwangi. Oh, not that, that's wrong. This one. Mafamba, I saw a post ya Mafamba uta humesa album na yena. No, sorry, better ita humesa. Is it an album? It's a single, right? Mafamba featuring Dr. Joe Shirimani. Vakulava Kaya. It's dropping on the 19th, this one. So what happened to that? Is this the single day when now? So but the 19th has already passed. I want to single you mean. The question is, I feel like everybody is asking what happened to Mafamba? Why Mafamba even on the list, Mafamba is not there. But I hope maybe itabarka announce during the week. Mara, those things just leave a lot of questions what's happening there, because this was supposed to have come out already. 19th of March. This single should have come up already. But anyway, makaya madokonya madokonya kambe sula munhu wo tlhokoletela na to poke madokonya dadokonyetela Mr. Post didokonyetela na Mbawuza zehleketa ku humesa album I used to khomela yinla mara people are asking questions kuri Mbawuza ita swipeta ku after ayimbelela na then ku mara asama xitoxika xiyimbelela mara mina Mbawuza anla ku yemba then I don't know. So we just have to wait. We just have to wait and see kuri go melayin stop bana the instruments support mara if I'm not a voice kushibela shikuyi Mbawuza. And then even the message of the album kuruke umela kwa kulawulwa yini la inkongolo yeah so inga delay ikhale la ka gembiwa. Maybe that's the message. We don't know. So, what do you guys think about this one? Mbawuza is coming out with an album, Easterly one, and then an album in one thing at the announce of foot from Team Shiriman. We don't know if it's Psychology, kumbe KK, kumbe Brace, you know, kumbe Dr. Joey Boshe. Dr. Joey Boshe mara ba umesi Easter, nitaba ba umesa in December mara because betere kuna kuchichaka schedule maka COVID, so we don't know. You never know. More surprises could be coming out, you know. So we'll just keep an eye on this one. Yeah, mishekta kukuta umela in lawani. Tita Bana. Tita Bana. I feel like everyone is asking that question. But Tita Bana, I feel like Tita Bana. I have no doubt. Mara, we will be listening with an open ear. Yes, so if you didn't ask me to mishekta kuyeni makale ya Mbawuza shumesa album na makakuwa ku mafamba yena anga hlaiwangi ka list le ka yabantu labo anishiboni mafamba la ahlaiwangi mara very full information about others will be communicated this week, so hopefully itatwa itona kuka umela yini. Yeah, hidlele nguna mishekta kuyela hansi imakaya Team Shirimani. Which album are you looking forward to? KK Shirimani, Danyoka, you know. Mara KK actually whoop the album. Danyoka is a singing solo artist. I'm not sure. I know him as a featured artist. Voice layer, things. Just as a kisa. If I know voice Psychology, Braystone. Yeah, bash gazala wakumbeita. Pero ati tonga trap, hip hop tonga trap, you know. Shirimani. Yes, so I don't know. Where's my farm? That's the question. But anyway, maybe it's there. It's coming out next week. During the course of the week, it's goodbye. Very. Comment on us. Me jala kumbuni sponsor kuyen makali ya Team Shirimani. Na makali Mr. Post. Na Mbawuza mbawulele kubashikashu umesa na shona. Yeah, so it's okay. So yeah. Ijenela asi kumshani Jovesta unamokushina mbawule mimi nga commenta you know Joseph ngomloro mna ijenela asi kabisa kumela Barbuta people out of voice mbawule Mbawuza kusha impelo netanjani hai arrange hai lukumina le gara nikano ekasdor chele kime jor ante sinto to salut megatiti mel